Hello students, welcome to Unacademy. So this is your KPCIVIL Krishna Prakash, famous for environmental engineering, and especially the students from Pune, Maharashtra. They used to love to call me environmental engineering, double ESR, the name given by Maharashtra students. So for the Maharashtrians, as recently MPSC exam 29th October, MPSC exam conducted. So for that MPSC exam regarding environmental engineering questions with perfect, accurate answers and solution. So follow me on Unacademy platform. Use that barcode, scan the barcode, so that all my special classes in Unacademy will be come to you. Use our universal code KPCIVIL to take Unacademy subscription. Join my Telegram channel KPSR Students so that you can get regular updates about classes, free classes, YouTube sessions, links and everything. So you will be in contact with KPSR. So moving forward to questions. Chlorine existing in water as hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid, HOCl, hypochlorite ion, OCl minus, are defined as a freely available chlorine. So while writing chlorination heading itself in our notes, very clearly we have written freely available chlorine is HOCl and OCl minus. Combinedly available chlorine is nothing but chloramines. Chlorine demand, amount of chlorine consumed by water for disinfection. Amount of chlorine to kill, to destruct pathogen, that is demand. Chloramines, as already said, combined available chlorine. Combined chlorine forms. When you take chlorine added into water, break down into HOCl plus H plus OH minus. Cl minus. HOCl plus H plus Cl minus. This is hypochlorous acid. This HOCl later on, by a reversible reaction depending upon the pH, break down into OCl minus and H plus. So this is HOCl and OCl minus, freely available chlorine. First reaction occur at a pH greater than 5. Second reaction occur at a pH greater than 6.5. So percentages and pH in our notes detailed I have explained already. If any student wanted, just contact me through Telegram, KPCIVIL, Telegram is done. Bacteria that obtain both energy and material from organic sources is called autotroph, heterotroph, phototroph, protist. Here you understand, autotroph is the organism. Autotroph is the organism that synthesize its own food. It can make its own food. And this autotroph classified into two types. Autotrophs classified into two types. Heterotrophs, photoautotrophs, based on energy source. Autotrophs and heteroautotrophs based on energy source. If energy source is sunlight, solar radiation is energy source, so which perform photosynthesis. Solar radiation is energy source and perform photosynthesis. if energy source is chemical, organic molecule, and then synthesize food, and in photoautotrophs, photosynthesis is the process for synthesis of food. फोटोऑटोट्रोफ्स में क्या हो रहा है? फोटोऑटोट्रोफ्स में क्या हो रहा है? फोटोसिंथेसिस हो रहा है. एग्जाम्पल, algae, plants, cyanobacteria, which is called blue-green algae. Algae, plants, cyanobacteria, blue-green algae. And heterotrophs का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? मिथेनोजेनिक बैक्टीरिया, nitrifiers, sulfur oxidizing and reducing bacteria. Sulfur oxidizing as well as reducing, both type of bacteria. That comes under heterotrophs. So autotrophs can get energy from sunlight, and through photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and inorganic matter they perform manufacturing of food. Heterotrophs will take chemical energy from organic molecules, then manufacture the food. So what is the question? Bacteria which obtain both energy and material. Energy is also obtained, material is also obtained from organic sources. So in phototrophs, energy from sunlight, material from inorganic sources, inorganic and carbon dioxide. But heterotrophs is the organism which get energy and material from organic sources. So answer is B. This much depth of concept they are asking. Please check it out. Chalo. Food to microorganism ratio used for design of extended aeration process. Food to microorganism ratio, F by M. Food to microorganism ratio, F by M, is equal to amount of BOD utilized upon amount of solids loaded, biomass. Amount of solids loaded, biomass. Food to microorganism ratio, Q into Yi upon V into Xi. This is the formula. Amount of BOD utilized by microbe, food taken by microbe. Amount of solids loaded, how much solids food you have given. That is F by M ratio. And very important, they are asking for extended aeration process. So for extended aeration, generally it is 0.05 to 0.15. So from the options, we can go for option D. Extended aeration process, general value 0.05 to 0.15 per day. Day inverse per day. So as per the options, we can go with 0.1 to 0.18, nearby range. To ensure proper aeration of water, it is necessary to ensure proper aeration of water, it is necessary to increase the area of water in contact with air, keep the surface of liquid constantly agitated, increase the time of contact. All three. If you increase the area of water which is in contact with air, that will be helpful. Then keep the surface of the liquid constantly agitated. Surface of liquid continuously mix it. That is also helpful. Increase the time of contact of water with air. Long time water is with air. So answer is option D. As per BAS 10,500/2012, acceptable limit for chloride in drinking water. Chloride acceptable limit in drinking water, it is up to 250 milligram per liter. So we have two limits. One is acceptable limit, that is as asked in the question, 250 mg per liter. Second one, acceptable limit in absence of alternate source. Acceptable limit in absence of alternate source. Second one. If no other source, only you have the choice to use that water only. Up to what limit you can use? That is 1000. So only acceptable limit they are asking, not in absence of alternate source. So you go for up to 250 mg per liter. If it is in the absence of alternate source, you select 1000, but only acceptable limit 250. Sequence of media from top to bottom in trimedia filter. Trimedia filter is nothing but multimedia filter. 3 layers, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, 3 layers, 3 materials, sand, garnet, anthracite coal. Very important here, we have to arrange from coarser to finer. Please remember, we have to arrange from coarser to finer. I repeat, not from finer to coarser, coarser to finer. Out of the 3 particles which carry larger size, that will come first. Then moderate, intermediate size will come next. Finer size will come last. Because water directly coming and interacting with the top layer. So top layer must be coarser. What is the coarser one among it? What is the coarser one? Please tell me. Coarser one is anthracite. Coarser one is anthracite. Anthracite carrying the diameter of. Anthracite carrying the diameter of 0.9 to 1 mm. Diameter of anthracite particle with a specific gravity of 1.4 to 1.5. Anthracite having diameter 0.9 to 1 mm with specific gravity 1.4 to 1.5. Then followed by silica sand. Silica sand having diameter 0.5 mm, and we know silica sand specific gravity 2.65. Finally, the finer particle will come garnet. Garnet is the lowest size particle, very finer particle, whose diameter 0.15 mm. Diameter of garnet 0.15, specific gravity 4 point. So coarser to finer, what is the order? First anthracite, then sand, then garnet. So what is the option? Option C. So don't take finer to coarser. Coarser to finer, anthracite, sand, garnet. I will show you picture. This is the pictorial representation. Water is coming from inlet. Please check it out. Water is coming from inlet. And it is releasing by the sprinkler. This sprinkler, this releases. So now what is the first layer? Check out the first layer, anthracite coarser layer, followed by sand, intermediate layer. This is an industrial filter, multimedia filters. Then last garnet, fine layer, water is coming out. So anthracite, sand or intermediate layer followed by garnet. So it is coming top to bottom. What is given in the question? Top to bottom they are asking. Please understand. Top to bottom. Anthracite, sand and garnet. In conventional activated sludge process, MLSS generally kept in which range? Conventional activated sludge process generally will take MLSS up to 2000 mg per liter. Up to 2000 mg per liter. If they are asking a range, we will take range 1500 to 3000 mg per liter. If it is a range answer, you take 1500 to 300, single answer 2000. So what is there 1500 to 3000? 1500 to 3000 is in option C. 1500 to 3000, nothing but 2000 to 3000, option C. Chalo. In the biomedical waste management and handling rules, process recommended for human anatomical waste, animal waste, cytotoxic drugs. So when human tissue is given for anatomical determination, testing, or any surgery happened to human body, like some bulging happened due to cancer or due to some reason, some surgery happened, that tissue will be cut down and thrown, that waste. Human body surgery करने के बाद थोड़ा ज्यादा bulging, so swelling, human body में थोड़ा swelling आ गया because of some disease reason, ये cut करके निकाल गया ना, that is called human anatomical waste. Then animal क्यों भी ऐसा हो जाएगा, animal का waste हो जाएगा, cytotoxic drug waste, that is treated by, that comes under yellow waste. This total comes under human anatomical waste, animal waste, cytotoxic waste. As per biomedical waste rules, it comes under yellow waste, and that is treated through incineration. See, this is the chart for you. If you are thinking about other aspects, if any other wastes are coming, how to face, this is the chart. Human anatomical waste treated by incineration or deep burial, putting very deep into the soil, deep burial. Human tissues, organs and body parts. Animal waste, animal tissues, animals used in research, waste from veterinary hospital, college and animal houses. Again incineration, deep burial. Waste from microbiological and biotechnological labs, lab में research हो जाएगा, वैक्सीन इन्वेंशन हो जाएगा, एंटीबॉडी एक्टिवेशन हो जाएगा, इनका बारे में लाइव रिसर्च हो जाएगा, उधर से वेस्ट आएगा, एनिमल वेस्ट और सम अदर वेस्ट, दैट इज आल्सो ट्रीटेड थ्रू इंसिनरेशन. हॉस्पिटल वेस्ट चलेगा ना, हॉस्पिटल वेस्ट, नीडल्स, सिरेंजेस, स्कैल्पल्स, ब्लेड, ग्लास, शार्प वेस्ट, ये बहुत शार्प हो जाएगा, कट हो जाएगा हमको, शार्प वेस्ट, that should be treated by autoclaving or shredding. That is not done by incineration, that should be done by autoclaving and shredding only. Same, discarded medicines and cytotoxic drugs, outdated medicines, contaminated waste and discarded medicines, incineration and secured landfills. So mostly for biomedical waste we prefer incineration. Instrument हो जाएगा ना, surgical instrument, scalpel, needle, syringe, blade, glass, whatever used in the equipment used in treatment, that is done for autoclaving. Instruments of hospital or instruments of lab, that go for autoclaving. But waste will go for always incineration. Which of the following is not the land filling method? Area method. You are filling the solid waste into a huge empty area. Area method, trench method, ramp method. All this comes under land filling only. Area method, trench method, ramp method, all these comes under land filling only. So, but Bangalore method and Indore method, methods of composting, sanitary land filling में नहीं आएगा ना. सैनिटरी लैंड फिलिंग में डिसएडवांटेजेस था, ये रिकवर करने के लिए नया मेथड इन्वेंट किया, दैट इज कंपोस्टिंग. टू ओवरकम डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ सैनिटरी लैंड फिलिंग, द मेथड व्हाट एवर इन्वेंटेड इज कंपोस्टिंग. सो दिस इज ए कंपोस्टिंग मेथड, ऑप्शन सी. सो टोटल 9 क्वेश्चंस केम, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू से हियर, पूरा का पूरा क्वेश्चन हमारा नोट से आ गया. No question from outside, everything we discussed in our class plus class notes, ये note से आ गया. ठीक है? Like, share and subscribe the video. So what you feel, you please comment in the comment box, and make ensure your friends join Unacademy using our universal code KPCIVIL, especially from Maharashtra. बहुत प्यारा है मेरा से. Most of the students are supporting me from Maharashtra only. I know it because I am famous in Maharashtra as a double E sir. So please share, like the video, and those who are new and watching the video, if you need anything support, any material, any class links, anything regarding this, do join our Telegram channel, KPSR Students. So this is our Telegram channel, KPSR Students. And if you want to take subscription, if you want to message me personally through Telegram, KPCIVIL is our code. Same my personal Telegram name also. You can contact me directly. KPSR Students is our Telegram channel. Okay guys, and I am releasing each and every subject of MPSC day by day, day by day. The total paper solution आपको मिल जाएगा. Today we are releasing environmental. Tomorrow और दूसरा, like that, हर एक सब्जेक्ट को solution video मिलेगा आपको. Let's crack it.